A very good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining this session. Yeah. Thank you for joining this session, as you all are my new students and you have come in my branch. Now it's time to share you something most creative that you will love about FEA. In this class, we are not studying in such a way that it seems boring. हम ऐसे चीज़ें प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जिस तरीके से हमारी क्लास और ज़्यादा एंगेजिंग हो पाए, एंड we are learning in a fun and learning in a learning environment. With this, everybody, and for this I need your support. So will you support me?
Yes, sir.
Now everybody, can you please share why we are learning this lesson? हम ये lesson क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं आज?
Sir, as the name is getting to know each other, we will be able to know each other more.
We will be knowing each other more. और हम एक दूसरे को जानना क्यों चाहते हैं सर? हम तो यहाँ पढ़ने आते हैं, हमें एक दूसरे को जानना क्यों ज़रूरी है?
सर, हम पढ़ाई करने तो आते हैं यहाँ पर,
Yes.
लेकिन जैसे कि हम सोसाइटी में भी बहुत तरीके के लोगों के साथ रहते हैं, तो हर तरीके के लोगों को जानना हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि ये लेसन भी हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yes, you are right, Chitra. See, students, it's very important to know each other so that we can build together what we want to achieve. Are you getting my point, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So with this note, everybody, I am going to share a very interesting activity in which you are going to know each other. So for this, I am going to divide you into groups. So Smita to Yashika first group, and Yashika to Vaibhav to Akansha second group, and Akansha to Kritika third group. And do you know, students, what we have to do? I am giving you a sheet of paper. So in this sheet of paper, what you have to do, in this sheet of paper, you have to write what are the things that you have in common. Yes, what we have to do?
सर, हम वो चीज़ें लिखेंगे जो हमें सेम है.
जो हमें
सेम है.
सेम है. सेम को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
सेम को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
यस, सेम को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
सेम.
Yes, you are right, Chitra. In this piece of paper, in your group, you have to discuss and you have to share. You have to write what the common things you have in your group. So, I have one doubt. Can we write like, sir, we have eyes, sir, we have legs, or sir, we have stomach? Can we write these things, everybody?
No, sir, no.
So, what we have to write?
सर, आई थिंक वी कैन राइट, हम हॉबीज लिख सकते हैं.
Okay, we can write hobbies. Apart from hobbies, what else we can write
सर, हम
in this piece of paper?
अपना फेवरेट मूवी लिख सकते हैं.
We have to write favorite movie. If suppose Yashika, Yash and Sneha like the movie and one person did not like, अगर एक इंसान को नहीं पसंद है, so can we write the name?
No, sir.
Leave it.
हाँ.
लिख देते हैं सर, क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हम लिख सकते हैं ऐसा?
नो सर.
No. Everybody, we have to write the common things which are common for all of you. Are you getting my point?
यस सर.
So can somebody share what we have to do?
सर, आपने हमें ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया है
Okay.
और हमें एक पीस ऑफ पेपर दिया है.
Okay.
अब हमें इस पीस ऑफ पेपर में वो चीज़ें लिखनी है जो हम में सेम है, मतलब कॉमन है. तो अगर हम चारों को रीडिंग करना पसंद है तो हम लिखेंगे वी ऑल लाइक रीडिंग.
Wow, I'm impressed that you are writing in full sentence. Thank you so much. Now everybody, you have to write the common things which are common for all of you. And for this, I'm giving you 3 minutes. How much time I'm giving you?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Please prepare it, everybody. I hope you all have written the common things in your piece of paper. So, group 1, can you please share what are the common things that you have written?
Sir, I have written we all like cooking.
We all like cooking. Wow, amazing. Yes, group 2, please share.
Sir, we have written we all like watching cricket.
We all like watching.
Cricket.
Okay, that means you love to watch cricket. That's
Yes, sir.
great. Okay. Now group 3, it's your turn now. So Sneha, can you please share?
सर हमने लिखा है वी ऑल लाइक कुकिंग.
We all like cooking. Sir, हमने लिखा है. Sir, I have written.
सर आई हैव रिटन वी ऑल लाइक कुकिंग.
Thank you so much, Sneha. Now Smita, can you please share?
सर आई हैव रिटन वी ऑल लाइक डांसिंग.
We all like dancing. Wow, you love dancing. Yes, Anamika.
सर वी हैव रिटन वी लाइक सिंगिंग.
We like singing. Okay, that's great. And yes, please.
सर आई हैव रिटन वी ऑल लाइक वॉचिंग मूवीज.
We all like watching movies. Okay. As I can see that you all have written and shared. So, can you all please announce our winners who have written the most common things? Can you all please clap for group A? Oh, thank you so much everybody. Now, are you all excited to play round 2?
यस सर.
Okay, in this round 2 activity, what we have to do, see everybody, you don't have to write the common things right now in this piece of paper. You have to share unique things about yourself. No, you have to share unique things about your group or the partner or the members in your group. Are you getting my point everybody?
यस सर.
So what we have to do,
सर वी हैव टू राइट समथिंग यूनिक.
we have to write something unique for whole persons or for the group members.
सर फॉर ग्रुप मेंबर.
For group members. And how much time we are getting for writing these things?
3 minutes.
How did you guess?
सर पहले भी 3 मिनट्स ही थे.
Thank you so much. So we are getting 3 minutes everybody for writing this activity. So, and the person who has written the most unique things and the number is more will be the winner. So let's see who will be our winner for this activity. And everybody, now one thing more. Can we write unique activity? Suppose I love reading, but my members did not love reading. So can I write this thing?
यस सर.
Can I write this thing?
यस.
Okay. Sir, yes. What's your opinion? Can we write these things?
यस सर.
Okay. Thank you so much. Please write it down. You have only 3 minutes for writing it down.